Hey guys, this is my asus vivotab with docking station again. Few things to cover. Get a lot of requests. Let's turn that light off. It's all too bright. First, it's not Google Earth, people. I don't even know if you can get Google Earth. I haven't tried. It is part of Bing. But it's pretty goddamn accurate. The map's standard map. Very detailed. So there I am. I'm not going closer. But yeah, here you go. Here's your gesture for your command center. You got your add a pin, show traffic, map style. So you can do a train view, which is actually quite cool. It looks quite different. And it's obviously a global map. It's very responsive, just like any other app. So that's how you use that app. You got your Google Store, or I'm sorry, your Microsoft Store. Still use two others. So here's your search. If you go to your right side of anywhere, any app, any location, you can pull up that bar. You can see how quick I'm doing that. I'm already used to this. It's very nice. So search for Microsoft, way better, comparable to all the other searches now, pretty much. Very GUI. So you got your apps, you got your settings, files, and then you can search all these other things. Finance, FML, that's an app I have. Google Chrome, Kindle. So I can do a search through all those things. I don't know what it searches for if I just search right now without clicking one of those. But I think all of them. So it'll probably just give me results for all of them. So if I pull down from where I'm at my app store, if you recall. So if I pull down, I can go to your apps, your home. This is part of the app that I'm in. There's nothing that comes up from the bottom. And of course, left side is always switch apps. Send me right back to my home screen. So I'm actually running this off of my phone, being charged off of this right now. So it's actually really cool. I did note that it uses the keyboard for majority of the power consumption. So moving on. The stylus, here you go guys. This is what it looks like. You got your button. There's your tip. It is responsive to your finger. It does. You can hear it move. It comes out. It comes with 4 replaceables. You can see it in one of the pictures I have on the review online. If you look it up on the EVGA forum, there's a button back here. Don't know what that one does yet. But this button always does something, which I can show you in Paint in just a moment. You can see it makes a little circle. So, one more gesture I can show you again. There's that bar. And it always pulls up that your Wi-Fi status, your lock status, time, date. Nothing. Pull down. Pull to the left. Will obviously change apps. So let's do search. Type in Paint, and boom, it'll launch the app. So I know the app bar, the start menu is gone. Boo-hoo, that replaces it. You just go to search and you can type in the name of the app in. It's pretty quick. So let me show you some of the features of the stylus here. So you just, and this is me attempting to do my signature right now. And you saw that disappear right now? That is because I pushed the button on the pen. And it makes it disappear. So if I hold it down and I push it, it'll all disappear. Gotta make recontact to restart the cycle. And then I push it and it's gone. Now, you can also go make the brush larger. And then hold down the button. And erase. And then, of course, release before touching to undo what I've done. But if you just pull back, it keeps your changes. Another thing to note is, I got it tilted here a little bit. Let me turn off this light again. If I put my rest of my hand on it, how well does it work? Perfect. It's very hard to do my signature right now, but it is actually very easy once you're not trying to do it with a camera, because I'm looking through the camera right now. So it's pretty good. Acts just like a cursor, but you can use it as if you're drawing with your hand. So unlike me, if you can draw a straight line, you can draw a straight line on here. So you got that. And somebody was asking about note-taking capabilities. Let's show you that little app I found. I believe this might be the one you asked about, Supernote. So, add new note. And here it is. Got your insert your color, your baseline. So I can change this. I can make it yellow, just like a yellow notebook. I can make it lines. I can adjust it to make a grid. I can do graphs. Got your other icons over here. You got your share, your add, delete, some other stuff. And that button up here is to take me back. So, here's one I was doing earlier. Let me show you how this works. So, if I just write it anywhere on here, it goes up there. So, and it goes right above the line. So, you can actually look ahead if you got, you know, pretty good hand-eye coordination. And you can take notes without even looking at it and just write them anywhere. And just make sure you take your pauses, and it'll automatically adjust your spaces pretty good. So it's pretty cool. It'd be probably pretty useful for taking notes in school and such. And there's also a couple more gestures I wanted to show you guys. So this is another gesture. You got all your apps. If you're in there, you pull down all apps. So let's go back to desktop. And I will show you the mouse pad surfing capabilities, and I use Google Chrome because I like Google Chrome, and it apparently runs as an app or like a hybrid, but it is full version, so I can watch videos unlike I can in Internet Explorer app, but it still runs as a full screen, no start menu on the bottom there, so it's pretty cool. I like it. I was surprised that it wasn't doing this for a few days. It just started doing this. So, surfing's pretty nifty. Let me go to a website here. So, I can just tap it just like any other keyboard, and that's an enter. That's a click. Or I could hold in 2 fingers and surf down the page. Go up for down and down for up. You can catch it. You can go quick. You can go really fast. And it's very accurate. And even if you release the other finger, it still stays into that mode and you can still do it. So if you just touch it once with 2 fingers, you can do it again. You can just look at your web page. Surfing's pretty nice, and it's pretty accurate. The speed out of the box is pretty nice for the mouse. I like it. The cursor is really So I just wanted to show the cursor a little bit, show how easy it worked. It's also got a few other gestures. If you put down 6 fingers, it'll pull up the little 4-way arrow, and then you can just glide your finger across, and it'll drag it like as if you're holding down the middle button. And that'll drag you across the screen and pull it across, and that's if you're trying to show somebody something quick. It'll be very useful. So it's got all those features of a standard mouse. You can basically use it as a computer. So it's very full-featured, even for just an accessory. So it's basically a full keyboard intended for productive use. Somebody was asking about the games. I'm still trying to get those to work. I can't get Microsoft Hotmail to get the email, but there are some pretty cool looking games. Somebody was asking about a specific game. I don't even remember what it was called, but let's see what we got. Yeah, this is the problem. So I gotta connect my account, and every time I do this, it asks for my email, and then I put it in, log in, and then it says we need to verify. It never sends the verification. I don't know why. It's annoying me. I don't know what to do. But I don't really care right at the moment because I'm not prioritized on games. And that's the only thing that seems to be affected. And if you click on this games, this is just like your Microsoft Xbox zone. Xbox games, your Spotlight. So I'm already logged in here. So here's your store. You can buy your games. See, it says I'm signed in.
So Vic, what do you think? I'll best to get it from that side. Okay. There will be little water there. That was close.
Victor wants to test.
I've never really set this thing up.
We're just gonna take a quick sample here and test.
I should have an avatar already. I don't know why I don't on this. That's weird. I've already done this video 3 times. It's actually froze on the last attempt completely and had to restart it. So I'm still having glitch problems, but like I said, those will go away once they start releasing updates. You know, they just come. If there's really a problem, they backorder them, and they might recall them, but I doubt that. And that never really happens with electronics like these.
That's not a small amount of gold. So this is a really good sign.
So there you go, guys.
I'm not doing cartwheels.